In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional letterhead in Microsoft Word using a simple template. You can design a letterhead from scratch, but using a template is much faster and easier, especially if you don't have design experience. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a blank document from the welcome screen. If you prefer to use a template, type letterhead into the search bar at the top of the screen and browse the available designs. Word offers many styles, such as corporate, creative, minimalist, and modern, so choose one that matches the look and feel of your brand. Once the template opens, the next step is to customize the colors and fonts to match your branding. Go to the Design tab and select Colors to change the color scheme of the letterhead. You can also click Themes in the same tab to adjust the typography and choose fonts that reflect your company's style. After setting up the colors and fonts, add your company logo to make the letterhead unique. To do this, click Insert, choose Picture from File, and select your logo image. Placing your logo on the page turns the template into an official branded document that you can use for letters, proposals, or business communication. After everything looks the way you want, save the document so you can reuse your letterhead anytime without starting over. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Microsoft Word tutorials for more quick and useful tips.